Today we're going to be showing you how to install C9 perimeter lighting on the top of a metal fence. Easy installation, but a couple things you need to know. Number one rule that we always talk about: buy truly pro-grade products. Stay away from the big box retail stuff. Buy where the pro installers buy, such as us here at Christmas Designers. Also, don't use the C9 stringer light sets. Those are great, especially if they're pro-grade. They're great for foliage lighting, but not for perimeter lighting applications. So go with the empty socket light line with retrofit LED bulbs, and you can't go wrong. All right, let's get started. All right, the fence we're going to be putting lights on today is a ferrous metal fence. Why that is important is because we can use magnetic clips or another product called LITE-NETICS, which is what we're going to be showing you today. It's a great product made out of Texas. We've been using it for years. The magnet is already built into the base of the socket. If you use the clips with magnets, those are great too. You can use it on any spacing. You can orientate the bulb horizontal or vertical. So either option works great. Now, if it is a non-ferrous metal, then we're going to have to use another form of attachment. Generally, we recommend using zip ties. All right, to get started on the light line itself, we are using a 12-inch spacing. A 15-inch will work. It saves a little bit of money, but for today's application, we are going to be using a 12-inch. We're using a combination of Pro Christmas red bulbs and warm white bulbs. Pro Christmas is our preferred brand, but there are some other great brands out there. That's just what we use on our own installations. So you're going to take your bulbs. We're alternating colors. Before we put the line on the fence, we're going to go ahead and thread the bulbs into the sockets. Now that the bulbs are in place, we're going to simply click the line right onto the top railing. We finish the run of C9 light line all the way to the end of the fence. We cut our cord. Add our mel to one side. Our female to the other side. Plug it into our extension cord. Plug that into our timer. Then the outlet. And we are good to go. That wraps it up for today. Be sure and check us out at christmasdesigners.com for all your pro Christmas lighting needs. And if you haven't already, be sure and subscribe to us on YouTube. Leave us those comments and questions. We love getting those and answering them as quick as we can. Until next time, keep on lighting.